Guys, I have to take a shit so badly. This sucks. Like, I'm just here. I'm learning the new map. I'm fucking running around, and I'm literally. I think I might shit myself. I'm not kidding. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to that security room. Holy shit. Like, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I think I'm gonna get a assist, or is that... No. What do you get from holding in your poopies? Whatever, that's what I'm gonna get. Oh my.